locker rooms. Coaches could be the ones in trouble if high school student athletes are caught using performance-enhancing drugs.
So guys, and tonight we have a very sad news. There have been a news that broke out recently that an athlete in high school has been tested positive for a drug banned substance. Now, whether this athlete is Jamaican, whether this athlete is from USA, any country in the world, we are going to know by the end of this video. So let's keep watching and make sure to like and subscribe. So breaking news, a news broke out and someone reported on Twitter, and he said, I am hearing there is trouble down in Florida again. You all gotta stay away from contaminated meat and gummy. Get your all some watermelon and beet. Leave all that stuff alone. Now what this guy is trying to let you guys know is that there is another report of a new guy in town that has been tested positive in high school, apart from Herah and Nagton. Now the guy made mention of meat, and Pryce on Twitter also reported that word on the street that Isam Asinga coach Gerald Fury has another athlete allegedly got caught with something illegal. So what this means is there is a coach, the world fastest man, under 20 man, Isam Asinga, his athlete, have been caught with illegal drugs, right, at the high school. So we do not yet know whether this athlete is a Jamaican, is a USA, Africa, whatever. We still do not know yet, and we will soon find out who that athlete is. So I want you guys to pray so that your favorite athlete from your country will not be that athlete that will later be mentioned, right? So make sure you pray so hard so that your athlete from your country will not end up being the athlete. Make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.